Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a custom URL. Uh, so to create a custom URL for your channel, your accounts need to first have 100 or more subscribers. Second, be at least 30 years old. Third, have an uploaded photo as channel icon. I mean a profile picture. And last, have upload channel art. I mean cover photo. Now I have over 100 subscribers. Today I will show like how to create YouTube URL or how to create mm, sorry how to claim YouTube URL. So friends, let's start. Open any browser on your device. Then you open your YouTube channel. Please follow the step I will show you. Then click this icon, click this gear icon. Click on the advanced setting option. Use easywell for a custom URL. Claim it here. It is my default custom URL. If you want to give the URL to your wish, click this button. Click this. I added a charter, my custom URL HQ. Sorry, HQ. Click this. Then change URL. youtube.com/Tamal360. Confirm choice. So viewers, see this. Copy, paste. So friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.